Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. According to GT over there, welcome back to another interesting to our YouTube channel. Today's tutorial, I'm going to be learning step by step guide on how to make use of ibisPaint. Step by step guide on how to make use of ibisPaint. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, or if you are coming across my video for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post an important video like this. Without wasting much of my time, begin today's tutorial. If you have not joined my WhatsApp or my Telegram channel, you are really missing a lot. So join to the link below and have access to the tools being used on my tutorial. So this is the app I'm going to be using for today's tutorial, which is called the ibisPaint. You can get your Play Store or your Apple Store. So I'm going to click on the app now to open. After I click on the app, then I'm going to click on my gallery. Then I'm going to choose a new project, because actually these are the projects I'm working on. So I'm going to click on this plus icon to start a new project. So this is actually the size I was using while I was creating on my project. This is actually the size. So I'm going to choose a default size now, which is this one here. I'm going to click on it to choose. So after I've already choose the canvas size I want, I'm going to convert to this layer icon that is down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. This layer icon that is here. So I'm going to click on it. So this is the layer icon here. So this place allows me to add folder. This place allows me to add layer. Like this place allows me to import the background or the image I want to work with in this ibisPaint. So you guys, please you guys watch this video today so you don't miss out any important part. And also if you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, comment and share to your loved ones and family. So let's proceed guys. So I'm going to click on this camera icon now to add a particular image. I'm going to add this image. So after you click on the image you want to import, make sure the image fits the canvas size you are using. After you have make it to fit the canvas size you are using, click on this particular place that says check. So you click on it to check. After you click on it to check, make sure you click on cancel. After I click on cancel, then bring this particular layer down. So guys, if you want to add layer in your ibisPaint, click on this first plus icon to add layer. I hope you can see that I've actually added another layer. This is the layer I added again, which is this number 3. Now for me to rename a particular layer, click on the particular layer you want to rename, either the first one or the second one or the third one. So I'm going to click on the second one, then come back to this icon that is here. Then I'm going to click on rename layer, or you can see that I can also reduce the opacity through this 3 icon, and also I can also save a particular layer as transparent PNG. So I'm going to click on rename layer and I'm going to type the name here and click on OK. If you want to delete a particular layer, click on the particular layer you want to delete. If this is number 2, then click on this delete icon here for you to delete. So for me to add folder now, I'm going to come over to this place, this second plus icon, click on it. I hope you can see add folder, add vector layer, add adjustment layer, duplicate layer, and add layer from canvas. So if you want to duplicate a particular layer, click on this place to duplicate it. I hope you can see that we have actually have this balloon layer too. So that is work of duplicate. So I'm going to delete it now, delete one. So I'm going to come back to this plus icon now to add my folder. So I'm going to click on it to add folder. So that is where you can add folder. Now what is the essence of you adding folder? Probably if you want to have all like 2 layers in a particular folder, that is work of you creating a folder. Now how can you move this 3 and 2 layer under this folder? For you to do that, click on the particular layer you want to move, then drag it from this 3 icon here to your right. I hope you can see this line. This line actually indicates that this particular layer is under this folder. So I'm going to repeat same process to everything. So now I've actually added these 2 layers under this particular folder. So after that, if you want to reduce particular opacity of a layer, click on the particular layer Then this is the opacity here. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. This is the opacity here. If you want to reduce it, bring it to this minus. If you want to increase it, bring it to this plus. So that is how it works. And also, if you want to turn off a particular layer, click on this eye icon to turn it off. So if I click on it, you're not going to see anything in this background again. I'm going to see anything in this background again. So if you reduce a particular layer, you're going to see the percent of what you reduce here. Let me show you guys. As you can see, when I was actually reducing it, it actually dropped to 65%. So, and also you can see it here again. So that is how it works. Well, we are done for everything under this layer. So after that, let's come over to these tools here. These tools here. Let's go over to all these tools. So now, if I click on these drawing tools, we actually have under tools again. We have the transform, we have the lasso, we have the brush, we have the blur, we have the special, we have the vector, we have the text, we have the canvas, we have the airdropper, the bucket, the eraser, the flitter, and all that. So this place allows us to switch from particular tools to other tools. While this place allows us to choose our drawing tool, this place allows us to have a straight drawing. So let me show you guys how all these tools work. So let me just make a drawing with my pencil. I just have to increase it. So now I just drew something to just show you guys how all these tools work. So now if you want to change the color of your drawing, click on this place to choose color. So I'm going to click on it. Let me just choose this particular color now. So let me make the drawing again. You see that the color have actually changed. So if you want to change the color of your pen, just come over to this place to choose the color of your pen. So if you want to reduce the opacity of your pen, come over to this place here, come over to this place for you to reduce the opacity of your pen. If I reduce it, if I make a drawing, it's going to somehow fade. So I hope you can see that the color is different. Actually, the thickness of the color is different from the way it is before, because I've actually reduced the opacity of the pen color. So that is how it works. So come over to the tools again. Let me still show you more drawing tools. So come over to this place. So the lasso allows us to move an object. So now I want to move this particular circle that I drew before. So I'm going to click on it like this, just make a shape around it. So for me to move it, I'm going to come over to this place. I don't know if you guys can see it. Come over to this place here, then click on it to move. So for me to move it, I'm going to do it like this. I hope you can see that. If I want to move it fast, I'm going to just drag it, and if I want to move it up, I hope you can see that. So that is how I can move it. If I want to create some kind of shape, just create those kind of shape, and also if I want to just drag it and make some shape. So that is how it works. So that is work of lasso. And also any tools or any drawing tools you choose, this is where you're going to see it. I hope you can see that. As you can see the icon of lasso. So this place allows us to switch. So if I click on it, actually I've already switched from the lasso to my pen. So it allows us to switch. So that is the work. And also this is where you're going to see the size of your pen. Hope you can see that, and you can also see the size of your pen through here also. So let me click on it again to show you guys more tools. And also the razor, it helps us to clean. All of us all know what razor is used for. It helps us to clean. So the bucket helps us to color a particular place in our drawing or in our project. So let me click on the bucket now to show you guys. I have tried to click on the bucket and I want to color this particular place now. So I'm going to click on it, then choose color. Then after I've choose the color, then I'm going to zoom in steadily, then tap on the place I want to color. Hope you can see that. So the bucket helps us to color a particular place in our project. So why this eyedropper help us to pick particular color of an object or background, let me show you. So I'm going to tap on the eyedropper now, then I want to pick this particular red now. So as you can see, when I tap on the eyedropper, let me just click on the game. So I've actually clicked on the eyedropper, then click on this color. When I click on the eyedropper, when I click on it, as you can see, it changed to bucket himself. So the next thing to do now is to color where I want to color with it. So I'm going to come back to this place now and tap on it to color. I hope you can see that. No need of you looking for the particular color or looking for the similar color. Just click on the eyedropper to pick the similar color of what you want from that object. Then click on the bucket to color the place you want to color in your own particular project also. So that is work of bucket. Then text, it helps us to add text to our project, while blur, it helps us to blur a particular place in our project also. So that's, I hope you can see that. Hope you can see it's actually blurring this place, the drawing line. Hope you can see that actually blurring it. That is the work of blur. So what am I talk about? The flitter. Choose type of flitter you want. Hope you can see that. Then I go to edit it to your perfect choice. So that is the work of flitter. That is the work for flitter. So how do we choose our drawing tools? I'm going to come back to this place, click on it. Now if you don't know how to draw, I will advise you to always be on these tools that is this sign S. I will advise you to be on it. Then if you want to use your freehand sketching, you can choose the remaining other tools. Particularly if you want to use freehand sketching, just click on this one or turn it off. Then you are going to do your freehand sketching. So that is it. Then remember, if you want to draw, if you don't even know how to draw at all, make sure you be on this particular tools here. Make sure you be on this particular tools. Then if you want to have a straight line drawing, click on this place, then come back to this place. It's going to actually help you to just draw a straight line. As you can see, this program for straight drawing. If you want to slant, if you want to create any type of drawing or any type of straight stuff, it helps you to do that in an easy way. You are just going to follow the straight line. Let me show you how to do that. So just click on it like this, then you make your straight line. So that is how it works. So that is how it works. So then go back to the layer icon. After that, when we proceed, I'm going to show you guys how to create more layer and how to create separate color layer, background layer, leaves and all that. I'm going to show you guys how to do all those ones as we proceed in this tutorial. So how can you save your project in ibisPaint? Just come back to this place, this icon here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just click on this place. After you click on it, then I'm going to click on save image. After I click on save image, make sure you turn this transparent on. Then I'm going to click on OK. And also, if you want to know about this app very well, there's a tutorial and tips for you. Just click on it to watch how you can know about this app very well. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so by hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you notify enter I post an important video. If you find this video, kindly do a thumbs up, comment and share to your loved one. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.